Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here is the package from Realme itself. Let's open the package. Now at the top, the invoice and the product itself in the bubble wrap, nothing inside. Let's cut the bubble wrap. And here is the invoice of 1800 rupees. Here is a Realme Buds T310 with some features like 11 driver, 46 dB hybrid ANC. And here is the manufacturing details. Let's have a look. Let's cut the seal. Nice packing done by the Realme. We have removed the seal now. Let's see the box content. At the top, the Realme Buds on itself on the top. Let's have a look of the buds. Let's see what is the box content. Here is a ear tips, no USB cable, and here is a user manual. Read it before using it, or I will show the demo. Don't worry. Okay, so here is the box content. Now let's move to the earbuds. Let's have a look. The quality, nice quality, soft material with mesh structure in the earpiece. Okay, now let's move to the main unit, the earbuds. Here is the top, the instruction detail. Let's cut the seal. Matte finish build structure with rugged plastic. Realme itself. Here is a Type-C port and no pairing button. The clicking sound is awesome. The build quality is awesome. Okay, the clicking sound is very good. There is a indication. Green indication means above 20%. There is a LED indication. The is charged above 20%. Below is red color. Talking about the buds, it is IP55 rated, but case is not satisfied. Please note that. Here is a charging indication. The build quality, I will rate 8 out of 10. So nice quality with matte finish. Okay, now let's put the buds inside the case. Let's put the buds. The magnets are strong, though no doubt. Okay, now let's have a case for it. To prevent scratches, I am recommending to have a case. It is easily available on the Amazon. Let's check the fitting. Yeah, it's perfectly fit now. The USB port is already arranged with this, and at top, nice looking now. Okay, to prevent scratches, I will recommend to use this case. Okay, it is easily available on the Amazon. Light compact now, very compact now. Okay, there is a charging indication, easily visible on this. Okay, now let's move to the app support. Okay, here is the app support. Let's take it out the buds. Now let's pair it with my phone. It will automatically pops in. If in not, you can directly go to the Bluetooth and pair it. Let's pair it. Yeah, it comes now. Press connect here. It will automatically sync with the Gmail you have logged in the phone. Let me show you clearly. Now device is connected. Now the next step, go to the download the Realme Link app and sign in with the Gmail and password. I've already installed and signed in the Realme Link app. Here is the Realme Link app. Let's open. Here you can see Realme Buds T310. Click it. Sign in the agreement. Agree it. Here is the operation and gestures. Let's press get started. Okay, here is the update. You can update here. I will fast forward it, don't worry. Now it's downloaded. It will install now. I will fast forward it, don't worry. Now it's 55%. Let's wait for the 100%. I will skip this one. 994, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Done. It will automatically disconnect and reconnect automatically. It is disconnected now. Let's, it will reconnect now. Yeah, now it's connected. Let's quickly go to the features. There is a noise cancellation of transparency. Let's check the noise cancellation. Three modes are there: mild, moderate, and max. There is a off mode and there is a transparency mode. You can enhance the voice and wind reduction, etc. There is a dynamic audio. You can easily customize with low frequency, mid frequency, and high frequency. You can adjust as per your choice. There is a equalizer mode, preset mode at 4, and you can customize here. Okay, and the special audio, it is okay. You can try it, no problem. Turn on here, and there is a volume enhancer. Please turn off. I will recommend it. There is a dual device pairing. I will show the demo in last part. Okay, now let's back. Here is a game mode, and here is the earbud text. Okay, here is a mind flow mode, means you can relax by listening to this music. And here is a button setting. I will show you in the dual device pair. Okay, I will show the demo. There is a more button. Time evidence. This is usually switcher. Please do not believe it. Okay, so I will overall I will rate 9 out of 10. Now let's move to the sound quality and bass quality. The sound and bass quality is very much vibrant and balanced. The Realme dynamic audio, you can adjust it by lows, mids, and frequency. Overall, I will rate 8 out of 10. The best you can customize in the app by the preset equalizer, or you can leave it according to you. Okay. And the talking about ANC, the ANC and transparency, I will give 7.5 to 8 out of 10. The ANC is 46 dB hybrid ANC. ANC is manageable, and transparency mode, it will see little robotic. Okay, now let's move to the dual connection pair. So I have connected to my phone and laptop by pressing simultaneously for 3 seconds. Okay, now I have paired, you can see here. Now let's jump into action of it. I have paired now, and let's demonstrate. If you listen to the first device, okay, now it's playing in the first device. Let's have a button demo. Double tap for play and pause. Now it's playing now. For triple tap, I have customized to the volume up, and okay, triple tap for volume up in the right bud, and in the left bud, double tap for play and pause. I have customized for the volume down for triple tap. You can see here the volume down. Okay, if you pause from device 1 and play the device 2, it will play in 3 seconds, in the delay of 3 seconds. It will switch for 3 seconds. If you pause the second, the same function, button function, will applicable in the laptop also. Okay, volume up and volume down, I will show you here. Volume down. Okay, if you switch from device 2 to device 1, it will not play both of it. Either you will pause one of them in a 3 seconds delay, it will start playing from the device 1. Okay, a 3-second delay, you can pause here, and 3-second delay will play from the second device. Okay, so I will rate 9 out of 10, the dual coring mode. Now let's talk about battery department. The battery department is claims 40 hours without ANC and 22 hours with ANC in my uses. Okay, the battery will full charge in 1.5 hours. from 0 to 100. Now let's quickly move to the outdoor and indoor mic test. So here is a sample from Realme Buds T310 in the indoor condition. So you can get the idea how it sounds in the indoor condition. Now I am going near to the table fan. So let's switch on. So you can get the idea how it cancels the noise, the wind noise. So overall I will go wait after that. So here is a sample from Realme T310 but in the outdoor condition. You can get the idea how it sounds in the outdoor condition. The traffic condition is moderate to heavy, so you can get the idea how it sounds in the output. Overall, I will get 8 out of 10. So guys, thanks for watching. Just subscribe my channel, like my video. The overall rating of this product is 8 out of 10. It is the best in the 1800 category with some feature loaded. Okay, so the provide link in the description. Do purchase it and have a nice day and stay healthy, stay safe. Okay, bye.